So this is the 10th video of these series, and here we'll actually start talking about the multilinear maps and alternating forms that we have to spend the rest of the series of lectures talking about. So, what are multilinear maps? We have seen this earlier. I was talking about multilinear maps earlier. So let's just recall what these spaces are, what the set of multilinear maps are. Of course, so let V be a vector space. Of dimension n. So T from V cross so a map T from V cross V k times to R is if T of V1 plus W1 and T of so this statement says that T is linear in the first variable, V1, when all the other variables are fixed. That means T of V1 plus W1 is V1, T V1, dot, 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 plus T W1, dot, 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 dot. And T of A V1, the A comes out. This is for the first variable. So T is linear in the first variable when all the other variables are fixed. And this must happen for each of the variables. V1, V2 up to Vk. So what it says is that when you keep all the other variables fixed and look at T as a function of one variable, then as a function of that one variable, T is a linear map. Okay? So LKV is so LKV is the set of all K multilinear maps on V cross V cross V. Now be slightly careful with this because the linear structure, if V and W are vector spaces, then V cross W is also a vector space. But the vector space structure on V cross W is a vector space structure that you put on this whole space. But for K multilinear maps, we are keeping all the other variables fixed and looking at it as a function of only one variable. Okay? What is an example of a K multilinear map? Say on R3 multilinear or R3. We have already seen bilinear maps. I've told you something about N multilinear map on Rn. The example is the determinant. Okay? Examples: bilinear maps or trilinear or N multilinear. Remember, V is a n-dimensional vector space. N multilinear map on V cross V cross V n times to R. The example we had was determinant. The function determinant is a function on Rn plus Rn plus Rn n times to R. So this is an example of K multilinear maps. Okay. So one more example if I want to think about it. So say that, so exercise 1. Exercise 2 is that if you take the set of all K multilinear maps on V, you can add two K multilinear maps on V. How do you add them? You say that T, S and T there's a natural vector space structure on this set of K multilinear maps. And therefore, LKV is a vector space. Okay? If you want to think about an example on, say, R3, which is not one of the examples that you've seen bilinear maps or trilinear maps or determinant, you should be able to show that define T in L4 of R5. So T is in L4 of R5. It's a 4 multilinear map on R5. That means it's a map from R5 cross R5 cross R5 cross R5 to R. So I will say that T in this be T of, so I have to give you 4 vectors in R5. I'll call those 4 vectors X, Y, Z, U. Where are each of these X, Y, Z, U? Each of the X, Y, Z, U are in R5. Each of these vectors are supposed to be in the vector space V. And there are 4 vectors in V. In this particular case, the vectors are in R5. So you should be able to prove that if you take T of X, Y, Z, U to be equal to X3, Y1, Z2 and U2. What do I mean with this? X is a vector. It has components. How many components does it have? It has 5 components. So I take the third component of X. Similarly, Y is a vector in R5. I take the first component of Y. Z is an element in R5. I take the second component of Z. And U is an element in R5. And I take the second component of U. And you should be able to prove that this is in L4 of R5. However, if I take something else, so let me take a T tilde of X, Y, Z, U to be equal to X3, Y1, Z2. You should be able to prove that this is not an element in L4 of R5. So T tilde is not 4 multilinear. And the reason it is not 4 multilinear is because the U component doesn't come there at all. So at least this is, you should be able to play around with this idea and get lots of examples of elements in L4 of R5. So we'll continue from here.